If you've been using Leonardo AI and keep running into the same frustrating issue with hands looking weird, blurry, or completely distorted, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix hands in Leonardo AI using a simple prompt setup that can dramatically improve your results. This is perfect if you want more realistic character images, cleaner hand details, and fewer generation mistakes without wasting time on endless retries. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Leonardo AI and open the image generation area. Once you're inside the platform, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it to get started. This is where you'll begin setting up your generation properly before you create your image. Next, choose your preferred model. Leonardo AI offers different models depending on the kind of image you want to create, so pick the one that best matches your style, whether that's realistic, artistic, cinematic, or something more stylized. Choosing the right model matters because it can affect how accurately details like hands, fingers, and anatomy are rendered. After that, move to the left panel and choose your preferred settings or styles. This part is important because the overall style can influence how the final image looks. You can adjust the look of your image here so it better matches your vision while still keeping the hands as accurate as possible. Now it's time to write your text prompt in the prompt bar. This is where the real fix happens. In your description, make sure you include the phrase highly detailed hands, 5 distinct fingers. That wording helps guide Leonardo AI toward generating hands with clearer structure and better finger separation. The more specific you are, the better your chances of getting a clean result. To improve the output even more, turn on the negative prompt option. In the negative prompt field, add mutated hands, extra fingers, missing digits. This tells Leonardo AI what to avoid during generation, which is extremely useful when you want to reduce common AI hand errors. Negative prompts are one of the easiest ways to stop those strange hand shapes from showing up in your images. Once everything is set, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create the image. After the image appears, check the hands closely. If they still need improvement, you can adjust the prompt slightly, try a different model, or refine the style settings until you get the result you want. Sometimes a small change in wording makes a big difference. And that's the simple process for fixing hands in Leonardo AI. The key is combining a strong positive prompt with a clear negative prompt so the AI knows both what to create and what to avoid. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.